everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh.
Okay guys, so in today's video, I do have a little haul for you guys. So this is from the company Read Your Heart Jewelry. I've worked with them in the past and I've had nothing but amazing experiences with working with them. And I finally figured out my true ring size. I was actually sent a ring sizer and I was able to measure my correct ring size, and it turns out I am not a size 6, I'm a size 5, and I've been getting the wrong ring size for like years now. So now I actually have pieces that actually fit me and that I'm not gonna worry about losing. So that's just, it's so funny. Like, I honestly for years thought that I was a size 6. It turns out I'm not. Okay, so before we get into the video, if you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also, a special thanks to Read Your Heart Jewelry for sending me these pieces. I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. And if you guys are interested in checking out Read Your Heart, I will leave their info down below in the description box. So let's go ahead and get started with the 2 pieces that I picked out. I also have some paperwork and stuff that I'm going to show you after, but I do want to show you guys the pieces first. They come really nicely packaged, and if you guys are unfamiliar with Read Your Heart Jewelry, they specialize in moissanite jewelry. If you are unfamiliar with moissanite, okay, so moissanite is an amazing gemstone. So it is actually lab created, but it was discovered by Henry Moissan, and he is a Nobel Prize winner. He actually originally discovered it from a meteor, but then figured out how to lab create it. So these are awesome because they have low environmental impact, so you're not, you know, mining for these gemstones. They are lab created and their brilliance is just amazing. The stones are so clear and gorgeous. They do remind me of diamond. They're basically like getting diamonds but for the fraction of the cost, and you guys are getting the whole jewelry store experience. Like I said, I'll show you guys what it comes with afterwards, even more so because jewelry stores don't include, like, you know, certificates and show you guys the clarity and the cut of certain gemstones. You have to get your gemstones appraised for that. You don't just get them from the jewelry store. So you're getting like a full experience with Read Your Heart Jewelry, and that's what I love. So if you guys are looking for something that's special, like a special jewelry piece for your loved one, or like a wedding ring, engagement ring, and you're not all about like diamonds. If you are planning on proposing or getting married anytime soon, they do have beautiful engagement ring pieces, beautiful wedding ring pieces, and like I said, it's gonna be the fraction of the price of a diamond because these are moissanite. You guys already know that I love moissanite jewelry. I just think it's so beautiful. So here is the packaging for Read Your Heart. It is a beautiful Tiffany blue color box with silver writing. I just love that. And then here is the inside of the box. So this is how it comes packaged. It comes actually really secure, and this isn't like a typical flimsy plastic bag. This is actually like, you know, it's sturdy. It doesn't get banged around in the box or anything like that. And then here is your beautiful jewelry box. This isn't cardboard or anything. It's actually like a legit jewelry box that you would get, you know, from the jewelry store. It does come in this little baggie, which helps it during shipping not get, you know, banged around or anything or lost. I don't know. But the first piece, this is my favorite. We're starting off with my favorite piece, is this beauty. I absolutely love it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is how I want my wedding ring to look like, to be honest with you. I love bougie pieces like this. I love bigger rings, bigger pieces of jewelry. This 100% straight up, you can't tell me that this doesn't look like a diamond ring. Like, it is so beautiful. So it's almost like flower shaped, or like a sun, like a sunshine shape. I don't even know how to explain it, but it is gorgeous. So you have the bigger stone in the middle, and then you have all the little fine pieces on the outside like that. I forget what this is called. I think it's like a princess cut. I forget what this cut is called. I think it's like a princess cut maybe, but it is absolutely stunning. It is absolutely stunning, and you can't tell me that doesn't look like a diamond. Like, it straight up does. I love the fact that this is silver because I'm not a fan of like yellow gold or anything like that. For me, it's either rose gold or white gold or silver, you know, that sort of thing. I'm not really into like gold pieces of jewelry, so I absolutely love this. Y'all already know, like, if you like jewelry, I think you're gonna want to check this out for sure. So let's move on to the next piece. This one is a little bit more on the simple side. This is something that is like what a traditional wedding band looks like. For me personally, I don't want a traditional wedding band when I get married. I want a bougie ring like this. That's just what I want. Okay, I already know which wedding ring I want, and it's very similar to this. I just love that these don't have the environmental impact. I love these companies that have moissanite jewelry. They're amazing. So okay, so the next piece, you guys, this is simple, it's traditional, and like I said, this is a traditional wedding band. This is what most people have as their wedding band, but like I said, I want bougie. I want like something like this. But anyways, it looks stunning on too. So that is it on my ring finger there. It's just amazing. Like, it doesn't matter what outfit you're wearing, this is gonna go with it, honestly. If you're going to work, if you work in an office, this is just like a simple piece you can wear. If you're, you know, going on a date night, if you're going out with the girls, like honestly, this ring just works for everything. This works as an everyday piece that is a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of glamour on your finger, and it is absolutely stunning. So that is the ring. I kind of want to wear these two together, but then I kind of don't at the same time, but okay. Layered, these two pieces look bomb. Like, look at that. Just picture this one as like a wedding band, and this one is like an engagement ring, and like fusing the two together or something like that. Honestly, it is a vibe and I love it. So those are the two rings right there, and these fit actually perfectly. They don't feel like they're gonna fall off my finger at all. Like I said, I've been getting size 6 for like the past few years, and I have to be really, really careful of, you know, checking my hand to see if my rings are still on, because they are on the loose side, and I didn't know that I was a size 5, you know, like that's crazy. Definitely go ahead and check your ring size before purchasing rings, because you can even go to the jewelry store and they can actually size your finger for you if you want a little bit of a hack there. If you want to order your jewelry online from like Read Your Heart or a different jewelry company, you can still go to the jewelry store and get your ring size. So I should have done that, but I didn't. Anyways, so this is what this jewelry comes with. It comes with so much stuff, you guys. Like, you'll feel very, very official when you're buying jewelry from them. Like, you'll feel like you went shopping at a jewelry store. This just makes an amazing gift. Like, I don't know who wouldn't want this as like a birthday or, you know, Christmas gift. Maybe Valentine's Day, because Valentine's Day is coming up, you guys. Their shipping also, I want to talk about that really quick. Their shipping is really, really fast. They just shipped regular post, I think, like Canada Post Express, I believe. So it didn't ship by FedEx or anything. There was no customs fees involved, anything like that, but their shipping was pretty fast. So if you guys are planning to get something for Valentine's Day or something like that, then it's not too late. So like I said, it comes with a bunch of things to make this super official. So it does come with this Read Your Heart booklet right here, and it has all of their social media info on the back. So if you guys want to follow them on any of these social networks, you can just pause that part. There is a jewelry care guide on the inside right here, and just shows you guys when to take off your jewelry. You know, do not clean with chemicals, do not wear while sweating, do not wear in the bathtub, do not wear while sleeping. I didn't know you weren't supposed to wear it while you were sleeping. Avoid fire, you know, the usual jewelry care stuff. This also goes over the story of what moissanite is and how it was discovered on the inside here. And it basically also goes over the difference between a moissanite stone and a diamond. So this is just an all over just care booklet and guide on the jewelry, which is nice. This also does come with a certificate. So it looks like this. Comes in this beautiful, beautiful gold envelope. It looks like you know, you won the lottery, or you're like, I don't know why, but this reminds me of like Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, like the golden ticket. So basically comes with this authenticity card to know that you're getting an authentic moissanite gem. Looks like that. And then it comes with this, and this is the report of your jewelry. So it tells you the quality and the brilliance, the clarity, the cut, grade, the polish, all that good stuff. It also tells you the weight, how many carats it is, and the like report number. So they do check every single stone that they sell, and you do get this report, which is really, really cool. So that's what's in the golden ticket envelope. It does come with gift bags, so you can put your jewelry pieces in here. So if you're giving it as a gift, it has everything in here. You can put your golden ticket in here. You can put everything else in this bag, and you can just give it as a gift. And I think it's so cute. And last but not least, it does come with a polishing cloth. It's a silver polishing cloth. So if you guys want to, you know, polish and take care of your jewelry, I highly recommend these. I actually do it with a lot of my sterling silver pieces. Sterling silver can kind of get a little grungy looking if they're not coated. These, I can tell that they're coated, so nothing's going to happen with these, but that cloth does wonders for any type of silver jewelry. So I love that it comes with that, and I just love the overall like presentation. Like, it comes in these beautiful boxes. It comes with a gift bag. It just has everything that you would need to give this as a gift, or even if you're gifting it to yourself, you guys, like, just like seriously treat yourself, you know? So I absolutely love these pieces. Here's one last look at the two rings. I'm still wearing them together. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I do encourage you to check out Read Your Heart. I will leave their info in the description box below if you are looking for some awesome jewelry pieces for yourself or for a loved one. Definitely go ahead and check out their jewelry. If you guys are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!
I let you deeper than